Hello everyone, today I am unboxing the 100 watt PD charging cable from Ambrane, and as you can see this product is made in India. So yeah, that's it. You can see all the details about this product over here. It supports up to 100 watt of power transfer, as you can see written on the second point, and it is compatible with all the PD technology adapters from different brands. For example, Apple uses power delivery and Samsung also uses power delivery as the charging technology for their smartphones and laptops. So yes, this can be used with all the power delivery adapters, and this cable will hold up to 100 watt of power. So it will work with the chargers or adapters which are outputting 100 watts of power, and less than that also, but not more than that. So this is it. Now let's unbox it. I guess unboxing it wrong. Let's open it from this side. Let's remove the tape. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. This is it, nothing else inside. So this is the cable, as you can see. There's also tape which can be used to organize this cable. This is 1.5 meter in length, as you can also see that also. And let me tell you about the quality. So I must say it's superb, because it's a braided cable, as you can see. But I have also used other braided cables, but I like it. This is very good in quality. As far as the cable's quality is concerned, I can say that it's good, or say great. This type C to type C, as you can see, and 1.5 meter in length, so it's quite a long cable, as you can see. So yeah, that's it about the cable. I have bought two cables the same type, because I have many devices which support charging over power delivery, like my MacBook, my Samsung smartphones, etc. Yes, so this is all about the cable and its unboxing. I must say it's good quality, and if you can buy it up to 300 or 350 rupees, it's a great cable to have. I bought it for 120 rupees only. I from Cred. So, but it was a one or flash kind of a deal, which comes in flash sales. So you will most probably not get it at that price. So if you get it even at 350 or at max 400, this is a cable. But I guess you can find it at around 380 rupees on Amazon or other websites online. So yes, this is a great cable to have, because it supports 100 watt of charge. Okay guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day.